Alright guys, we're back for part 2. Now, we're going to talk about bonding. So, if you're familiar, this is what's called water. If you zoom in close enough, it starts to look like this. Boom. Another way to describe that is like this. So, as we talked about, valence electrons, which is the electrons on the outside, is what these guys are. And each valence ring wants to be filled with 8. Well, except this one does 2. But 8 is the happy number. So oxygen has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 valence electrons, but it wants to get to 8. And then hydrogen has 1. So if we take 6 plus 1, 2, then we get 8. And now water's happy to be very stable. So, in order to make these bonds, we have to understand the orbitals. So, I drew them. Here we have an oxygen. As we said last time, we have this sp3 thing. That's the oxygen right there, and those are the electrons in it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Right, that's this. And then we have hydrogens with just 1. So those electrons want to be shared between each other, where they like near. Then this s orbital joins to the sp orbitals, or sp3 orbitals. So this is what forms a single bond, which is formed by what's called sigma bonds. And sigma bonds, what a sigma bond does is it mixes any two orbitals together to form a single bond. And then you have other things called pi bonds and more stuff, but we haven't gotten there yet. So these two electrons mix between each other, and then you can see they share between, and then you make a water molecule. And that's why we have water to drink. Yum.